So here in the fourth question, can we classify the following numbers as rational or irrational? So root 196. Root 196 is nothing but going to be, if we do the prime factorization of 196, we get after doing the prime factorization and all, if we arrange them in pairs, then we will get root 196 finally as 14. We already know it's a perfect square. So that's why I'm not doing full prime factorization. So that's why 14 finally is a rational number. 14 by 1 means it's 3 by q form where k and q are integers. So that's why it's a rational number. Can you bring me?
Yes, sir.
It's coming 3 root 18. Root 18, if we do prime factorization, then we will get 3 into 3 into 2, where 3's are paired. So from that 3, 1 3 will come out. So from a pair of 3, so 3 into 1, already 1 3 is there. So beside from this pair 1 3 will come outside the root, and inside 1 root 2 will be like that as it is. So 3 into 3 9. So 9 root 2 is the simplest form of 3 root 18.
Yes, sir.
So because of that reason,
It's irrational.
yes, it has an irrational term, root 2 multiplied with 9. So that's irrational. Now this one already we can do some cancellation. 9 ones are 9, 3 are. So finally, simplest form is root 1 by 3, which is root 1 by root 3. Or we can write directly root 1 by root 3. Here root 3 is irrational. So 1 by root 3, when you divide 1 by root 3 also, it is result will be irrational number because root 3 is irrational. Can we?
Yes, sir.
Similar simplification will do for fourth bit. So fourth bit will be 28 root of 28 by 343. So which will become 7 table if we cut it. 7 fours are and 7 fours are 28, 7 9 63. Okay, can we? So we get the root of 4 by 49 finally. Root of 4 by 49 is there are no cancellations for there.
So
Root
it's
4 is,
irrational.
but we have to check because root of a by b is equal to root a by
Oh,
root.
okay. So it's 2 by root 49, so 7.
S is finally. So when we apply the square root for numerator and denominator, it's finally rational because it finally came in the form of b by q where b and q are integers. So before one is going to be 1 by root 3, which is irrational. Before one also similar simplification, but after that we don't have a perfect square. Numerator is a perfect square, but denominator is.
Okay, sir.
So out of these, first one rational and fourth one rational. Okay? Second and third are irrational. The reason is because they have irrational terms. Irrational. Should we go to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Then fifth bit will be minus. Minus is outside the root, but 0.4 will be if I write it as a minus root of 4 by 10. So if I apply individual roots, root 4 by root 10, or if you cut it also, 2 1 to 2, 2 2 to 5, so finally it is minus root of 2 by 5. Is irrational.
Isn't it 2 by root 10?
Yes, Pranavi. This way also if we do Pranavi, minus 2 by root 10. So root 10 is not a perfect square. Like root 10 is not a rational value.
Yes, sir.
So because of that reason, minus 2 by root 10 will become irrational. This way if we tell also no problem. Pranavi, and this way also we get that. Pranavi?
Okay, sir.
Any doubt, Pranavi?
No, sir.
So fifth one is also irrational. Yes. Sixth one also we can simplify it further by writing root 12 by 75. Pranavi. That is root a by root b is equal to, you can write root 12 by This is root a by root b is equal to root of a by b, which is equal to root of 12 by 7. So which is equal to 3 fours to 25. So now finally from the root of 4 by 25, which is
So root 4 by root 25, 2 by 5.
yes, so 2 by 5 is a p by q form, which is rational.
Yes, sir.
Now from the next one. Next one, Pranali. So Pranali, you are getting any other voices from my side? Pranali, outside from my side.
No, sir.
So next one, Pranali, 0.591. We can see Pranali, it is a terminating decimal.
It's rational.
Yes, Pranali. All the terminating decimals are rational numbers. Yes, Pranali. So 1 plus root 5 minus of bracket open 4 plus root 5. Which is second Pranali, outside some answer. So here Pranali, root of this one, 1 plus root 5 minus 4 plus root 5. So if we open the brackets, then we will get to open the brackets and simplify. Root of 1 plus root 5 minus 4 and minus of root 5 is minus 2.
Yes, sir.
Plus root 5 minus root 5 will get that, which is equal to 1 minus
Minus
4.
3.
So finally minus 3 means it has no denominator by 1, which is rational.
Rational.
Shall I delete it, Pranali?
Yes, sir.
Then 10.124124. This is actually non-terminating decimal, Pranali, but not in that non-terminating first step, that is recurring part. 10.124. Non-terminating recurring. Okay, so because of that reason, this is what type non-terminating recurring decimal will come under which
Rational.
experiment. And finally, this one will be 1 point. This 10th
So
one is
this
also
is irrational.
experiment. This is non-terminating, non-recurring. Non-recurring means none of the part is particularly repeating. Because here if we see 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 like that. So because of that, non-terminating, non-recurring will be part of those are the only decimals which are irrational. Like remaining all terminating decimals and non-terminating recurring decimals are rational, whereas this one is irrational. Okay, okay. So this is about this one. Okay. So in the next exercise also, maybe we will finish the things that which we completed the chapter. So first question will be find which of the variables x, y, z and you represent rational numbers and which are irrational numbers. So Purnavi, same way again, x, y, z. So we need to find out the individual value of x, y, z or u, Purnavi, and then finally we should decide whether it's rational or irrational. Purnavi,
Yes, sir.
x is equal to
Root
square
5.
root of. So finally, we know that now finally it's irrational because the reason is root 5 is irrational. So x is irrational.
Yes, sir. The second one is rational.
It's that is that. Second one is y square is equal to 9, so y is equal to root 9. Root 9 is plus or minus 3, which is both are integers only, so rational. Then third one gonna be z is equal to root of 0.04. Okay,
So can we write 4 by 100?
so z is equal to 4 by 100. So 4 square root is 2 and 100 square root is
Then it's 1 by 5.
gonna be, which is rational number p by q.
Yes, sir.
Then will be u is equal to square root of 17 by 4. Can be, so which is root 17 by root 4 is
2.
so numerator is irrational when we denominator is rational, because p by q form both p and q should be integers, but that is an irrational because both 17 is not an integer. And if we try to
Yes,
find
sir.
out
So it's irrational.
if we try to simplify it also, we will not get it as p by q integer, p and q integer. So that's why it's irrational term is there. So root 17 is irrational. So any number, irrational number divided with number is irrational. Yes. So this is about the first question. Then second one, find three rational numbers between -1 and -2. So we can write in between -1 -2 so many. Directly if we write it -1.1, -1.2, -1.3.
Yes,
So
sir.
we can make it as -1 by 1 is -2 by 1. Anyway, into 10 into 10 we can do it. Into 10 into 10, which will become
Yes, sir. Got it.
-1 by yes, -1 by 10, minus 10 by 10 and -20 by 10. In between we can write all the integers. This is -11 by 10, -12 by 10, -13 by 10, -14 by 10, -15 by 10. Economy.
Yes, sir.
Then second one would be, so we can write -1 by 10, -2 by 10 as -1 point, sorry, -10 by -11 by 10 as -1.1, -12 by 10 as -1.2. Now in between 0.1 and 0.11.
Sir, 0.1 is 0. We can take it as 0.10, right?
Finally, just now we asked about it.
Can we take 0.1 as 0.10?
Yes, Pranvi, you can take.
So then we can write 0.101, 102, 103.
So Pranvi, if suppose, yes, Pranvi, 0.101, suppose 101 is correct. 0.102, because reason is after 10, anything we write also, it will be in between 1 1.
Yes, sir.
So 0.101, 0.102, 0.103, so on. Correct. Then they are in between those two. Then suppose if we confused, we didn't get it, means idea means we will write it as fraction form. 0.1 is 1 by 10, 0.11 is 11 by 100. Then this is into 10 into 10 into 1 into 1. So 10 by 100 and 11 by 100. So this time we don't have any integers much, so we'll do into 10 into 10 one more time. So 100 by 1000 and 110 by 1000. So in between we have 100 to 110, we have 10 numbers. Okay. Like that also you can make. Which will get it as this one. And the ones which I said you will get it. 101 by 100, 101 by 1000, which means 0.101, 0.102 like that.
Okay, sir.
Then 5 by 7, 6 by 7, we will make the, because numerators, they don't have any numbers in between. So you just make it into 10 into 10. And this also into 10 into 10. So it will become 50 by 70.
Sir, so that's 51 by 70, 52 by 70, 53 by 70.
Yes, that is correct. Then next one, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Let 1 by 4 into 5 into 5 again. And this one is into 4 into 4. 5 by 20 and 4 by 20. We don't have much integers. We don't have much integers within 5 by 20 and 4 by 20. Okay?
So we'll do into 10.
Yes, we can put in one more time. So it will become 5 times of 50 by 200 and this is 40 by 200. So 40 by 200, 50 by 200, we have in between 41 by 200, 42 by 200, 43 by 200, 44 by 200, like that, 45 by 200, like that we will have. So many we can have. So can we?
Okay, sir.
The third one. So can we in this case insert rational number and an irrational number between the following? Can we?
Yes, sir.
So now can we between 2 and 3 we can directly tell an rational number.
2.1.
Yes, and irrational number means we know that should write non-terminating, non-recurring decimal.
Yes, sir.
So we'll change the digits continuously by writing, like for example 2.1, 0, 5, 105, 105, 2, 1053, 1054, like that continuously. If we see here, none of the particular block or set of digits I repeated. Like continuously some digit is changing. 105 looks like repeating, but after 105 again, some new digit is coming.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Pranay. So because of which it is non-terminating, non-recurring decimal, and we should keep 100% so on. Right? So it is an irrational number between 2 and 3.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Pranam. If you forget to keep this on means it will come under terminating decimal Pranam, then it will become rational number. Pranam?
Okay, sir.
Maybe we go to the next question, Pranam. Then 1/3 and 1/2. Pranam. So which will become
Sir, 0 and 0.1.
yes, Pranam. Oh, we forgot one. In between 0 and 0.1 Pranam, the
Sir,
rational
can
number
we write 0.01
is
as a rational number?
yes, Pranam. 0.01 will be in between 0 and 0.1 and because its square is smaller than 0.1. This is
And then
rational.
for the irrational number, we can write 0.01 and any other random numbers.
Yes, Pranavini, that is correct. So for irrational we'll write it as 0.01 and irrational, we will write it as a 0.0100100001. Like that, continuously some set of digits will not recur.
Okay, sir.
And so on we begin. Any doubt, Pranavi?
No, sir.
Okay. So 1/3 and 1/2 Pranavi, this also means we can write it in decimal form for convenience. 1/2 is 0.5 and
Yes, sir.
1/3 is 0. I'll write the second 0.3 bar. 3333 like that. Okay, Pranavi?
Okay, sir. So what's in between is we can write 0.32 or something.
Yes, Pranavi. So for we can even write 0.4 also.
Oh, yes, sir.
0.3 and 0.5 we have anyways in between 0.4. Rational number will be 0.4 and irrational number will be 0.33 no Pranami. So we should write 0.491909 like that, something we should continuously change.
Yes, sir.
So this is decimal way. So the non-terminating, non-recurring decimal and in between 0.33 and 0.5. Okay, Pranavi?
Okay, sir.
Any doubt, Pranavi?
No, sir.
Okay, Pranavi, that is it. So fourth one. So this also will write it in fact decimal form, Pranavi, and that will be more convenient to write irrational number. Okay, Pranavi?
Okay, sir.
So the decimal form, Pranavi, minus 2/5 means it is minus 0.4 and 1/2 means 0.5.
So for rational number, there's 0.1.
Pranavi?
For a rational number, there's 0.1 or 0.2 or any other.
Yes, Pranavi, 0.1 we can write rational number. Irrational number, Pranavi?
0 point 0.3463 anything.
Yes, anyway, 0.36, 0.346371. Next. So 0.1.0.16
Sir, we can write 0.151.
as rational.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Pranali. And irrational is going to be
Uh, 0.15326 any and so on.
yes, that is correct. No? The sixth bit only. So sixth bit can be root 2 value. We will write it till the third decimal. Root 2 value actually is 1.414 in a way. If we take it till the third decimal, and root 3 value is 1.732.
Okay, sir.
Then in between these two, we have so many.
Yes, sir. For rational, we can take 1.5 or 1.6.
Yes, Pranavi. For rational, we will take it as 1.5, and irrational
1.6574 8 so on.
is Pranavi. That is correct. So Pranavi 7.
Yes, sir. So for the rational number, we can take 2.3, no, 2.4 or 5. We can take 2.5, right, sir?
Pranavi 2.5 is Pranavi. 2.5 is correct. So for rational number in between them 2.5. In a way, irrational number will be
2.823641 and so on.
yes, Pranavi. 2.266, 2.826,418, so on like that. Pranavi.
Yes, sir.
Yes. 8, 7 like that. So on. Then 8th one. We'll finish this question. Pranavi. 8th, 9th, 10th.
Okay,
So
sir.
this is 0.1. Yes, Pranavi. This is actually 0.0001. Pranavi. 0.001. 0.0001, 0.00.
Yes, sir. Sir, so for a rational number, we can take 0. Sir, actually 0.001 is of greater value, right?
Yes, Pranavi, this is greater than this. Because your fourth decimal is 1, your third decimal is only 1. So we'll, for convenience, now Pranavi, this is smaller, this is bigger among these two.
Okay, sir. So for any rational number,
Rational number means Pranavi, we'll write because after this one, anything we can write because this is smaller, no?
yes, sir.
So if we write any, we'll just repeat these 4 digits, and after one, if we write anything also that is smaller than this one. So
Yes, sir.
it will become 0.0001 2. Shall I write 2, Pranavi?
Yes, sir.
So this is ratio. Any doubt, Pranavi?
No, sir.
Because this is after 0.001 Pranavi, and before this.
Yes, sir. I got it.
Okay, Pranavi. And the next one is
Irrational, we can take 0.000134 in and any numbers.
S Pranavi 001345798 so on. But Pranavi 001 Pranavi or 0001
000, like 3 zeros.
S Pranavi 0 point here we should write because these 3 zeros should be repeated 0.0001
Yes, sir.
345798 so on. Like this. Yes Pranavi.
So for the next one, for the rational number, we can just take 1 or 2, right?
Yes, Pranavi, that is correct. Because this is 0 point something and this is 3 point something. In between, we have integers also. We can take number 1, Pranavi.
Yes, sir. And for irrational, we can take 2.68352,
Yes, Pranavi.
so on.
Yes, Pranavi, that is 10. 10 point, Pranavi.
We so for rational number, we can take 6.375 4.
Yes, Pranavi. This is 4 digit is 2 here and this is 7. In between 2 and 7, we have 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that.
Yes, sir. And then we can take for the irrational number 6.375 8129, so on.
3, 7, 5, 1, 2, 9, so on. Yes, Pranavi, that is correct. Okay, Pranavi. So with this question also completed, Pranavi. So from this question, shall we do it again, Pranavi, in our next class?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Pranavi. Enemy by enemy